back to my channel. This is Laura. For today's recipe, what we are going to make are some Thumbprint butter cookies. They're real light and flaky and buttery and just delicious to give for gift giving for the coming holidays. I hope you enjoy the recipe. I will be adding more recipes for cookies that you can easily make for gift giving for the holiday. So please check back with me just about every other day. I will have something up for you. And also, if you could please leave a comment down below, that really helps us out here on the channel. If you have any suggestions on recipes or anything that you want me to try, please leave it in the comments and I'll try to get to it. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Laura and I put out cooking and baking videos at least twice a week. And if you are a regular here, thank you for coming back. I appreciate you. Okay guys, if you have any questions about the recipe, please leave it in the comments below and I will get back with you. And all the information you need is always in the description box below. So please take a look there. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button right there and click that notification bell and you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay guys, let's get started. Okay, to start this recipe, we're going to take our flour, our baking powder, our cornstarch, this tends to stick to the bowl, and our salt, and we're just going to give this a good mix. Okay, and now on the stand mixer, we are going to add our butter, a little piece out of there, our sugar, our vanilla, and the almond extract, and the egg, and the oil, the canola oil. Okay, and we're going to beat this until real light and fluffy. Okay, we're going to bring this down. We're going to scrape everything down off the bottom and the sides. And we will start adding in our flour. Okay, we're going to bring this up and we're going to start incorporating our flour a little bit at a time. Okay, all right, we're just going to scrape everything off. And I'm going to transfer you to the counter and we can start rolling these. Okay, now we are going to start to roll these out. Now you can roll them by hand if you want to. You just get the size that you want, roll it up like this, and that works fine. I like to get a more uniform cookie. And here I have my fillings that I'm going to use. You can pick whatever fillings you want. Just pick one if you want. I have apricot, pineapple, and this organic strawberry that I just love. And all I do is I put them in these little piping bags. You don't even need to put a tip on it. You're just going to snip it here at the end. And that's just so it won't make a mess on you. So I take my cookie dough, and these cookie scoops come in different sizes. So you can make them different sizes. And then that's how you're going to get your shape. Okay? So I'm going to keep doing all of these and then we'll come back and punch them so we can put our filling. Okay, and that's it. Now, what I'm going to do, this made exactly 24, which is perfect. Let me get this out of the way. I have 2 cookie sheets here. You need to give them some room. So we're just going to put 3 on a roll. Okay, perfect. 1 dozen per tray. Now what we are going to do is press them down. Get this one out of the way so you can see this real well. Okay, you just take your dough and press it down with the bottom of your wooden spoon, and it's a perfect little indentation for your filling. Your oven should be preheated to 350 degrees, and these take about 10 to 12 minutes. And if you want to make the indentation a little bigger, just swirl it around. Okay, now we're done with that. Now we are going to fill them with our filling. Now I just clip off the little tip of this and squirt it in. And it'll be 8 of each color. Okay, and that's it. I am going to pop these into the oven. Like I said, it's about 10 minutes or so. Everybody's oven is different, so please check your temperature. You just want them until they're light golden brown on the bottom side. Okay, I will be back. Okay, everybody. This is actually the next day. My camera decided to eat the last part of my video yesterday, so I wanted to show you the finished product of the cookies. They are delicious. I had some last night with some coffee. Let me bring you in for a close-up. Real nice and flaky and buttery. And the pineapple ones are just my absolute favorite. And look at that. Let me see if I can bring you in. Look at how flaky that is. And they are delicious. Not too sweet. Just right. Just perfect for this amount of dough. So I hope you enjoyed the videos, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you liked the video, thumbs up, guys. And everything will be in the description bar below. Don't forget to go visit us on Facebook and Instagram at Virtual Kitchen with Laura. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.